आता you are in a process to have a cancer hospital right now.
Cancer
काल पहिले तुम्ही review meetings घेतली. So finally, when are we going to have
विल
that
कम्प्लीट द
facility?
इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर बिफोर. आता आमचे डॉक्टर अनुपमा बोरकर काल आयिल्ले आनी त्यांच्याकडे मिटींग जाल्ली. वी हॅव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड राजनंद देसाय, डॉक्टर आमचे फरजल रावजो आनी अनुपमा बोरकर आनी एक दोन डॉक्टर्स टू गो टू. आनी एक लक्षात घे रुपेश, ते वयतले थंय डॉक्टर बनावली म्हणून टाटा मेमोरियलाचे आसा तेंचे कडेन डिस्कस करपाक. ते ज्या पर्चेस ऑर्डराचेर मशीन घेता त्याच हांव प्रणव भटाक बी सांगतलो आनी तृप्ती मनेरकाराक बी सांगतलो, मुद्दम तुमी बी चला. म्हणजे त्या पर्चेस ऑर्डराचेर जे टाटा मेमोरियलाक रेट गावता त्या रेटीर गोंया गव्हर्मेंटान इक्विपमेंट घेवपाची गरज आसा. आयज ह्या हॉस्पिटलान लिनियर एक्सिलेटर पासून सगळे गोश्टी आसतले. इट हॅज टू बी बट अ सेमी ऑटोनॉमस बॉडी. आनी डॉक्टर्स घेवपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसतले. आमी ऑलरेडी नर्सिंग स्टाफ दर वर्सा धाडटा टू ट्रेन देम फॉर कॅन्सर. कॅन्सर रिलेटेड टाटा मेमोरियल ओनली इज ट्रेनिंग. तुका खरें दिसचें ना, आय हॅव सेंट वन बॅच, second batch. Now we are sending every year. They have to also show willingness to go and learn. You cannot recruit a new person and then train him. You have to start from beginning. Full 9 महिन्यान we should be ready with exactly what we are going to do. We have got provision there for 2 linear accelerators. Israeli technology has not come. Proton therapy used to cost 1,500 crores. Today there are Israeli companies that are giving it for about 450 or 350 crores, and government of India is encouraging companies to buy it. That has to be examined. And we want for all purchases of for cancer related, people like Dr. Banauli or people of representatives of Tata Memorial to be on that committee. There should be a notified committee under the minister where there will be chief secretary, secretary health, finance and our team from Tata, so it's professionally run and there is no monopoly of any individual. I also have to go by what suggestions are made by Tata Memorial, so that tomorrow it cannot be a committee that can be manipulated. It has to be in the interest of the people of Goa, and that is what we want to do.
So can exact can what is
चालू
the
झाले
deadline?
नाही ऑलरेडी नावां बी घेवपाक डॉक्टर वयता फाल्यां परवा.
When can we have that cancer hospital in place?
Cancer hospital, full infrastructure and everything. We have to start ordering the machinery, talk to Tatas how to procure. Before the end of 9 months, the full infrastructure will be ready and we would have already ordered the equipment and everything else.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.